Tesla Model 3, a driving revolution. The Tesla Model 3, it's sleek, it's fast, and it's everywhere. This electric marvel has taken the world by storm, becoming a symbol of innovation and sustainability. But even the most advanced cars need new shoes now and then. Let's talk about tire replacements for the Tesla Model 3, a topic every owner or potential buyer should be familiar with. The price of performance Tesla Model 3 tire replacement costs. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. How much will it cost you to replace your Tesla Model 3's tires? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. You're looking at a range roughly between $700 to $1,500 for a full set of 4 tires. Now, that's a pretty wide range, right? Don't worry, we'll break down why there's such a difference in the next section. Just remember, like any high-performance car, the Tesla Model 3 demands quality tires, and that comes at a price. Decoding the price tag factors affecting tire replacement costs. Several factors influence the cost of your Tesla Model 3 tire replacement. First up, tire brands. Just like with other cars, you've got premium brands like Michelin, Pirelli, and Goodyear, known for their performance and longevity. These will naturally be pricier than less expensive but still reputable brands. Then you've got tire types: summer tires, all-season tires, winter tires, each designed for specific weather conditions and driving styles. Your choice here will impact the cost, and don't forget tire size. The Model 3 comes with different wheel options, and larger tires generally mean a bigger dent in your wallet. From the driver's seat, real Tesla owner experiences. Now let's hear from the folks who know best, Tesla Model 3 owners themselves. Many owners emphasize that while the initial cost of tires might seem high, the longevity and performance they offer can balance it out. Some share tips on finding deals on tires or opting for less expensive brands without compromising safety. Others highlight the importance of regular tire rotations to ensure even wear and tear. It's all about finding what works best for your driving habits and budget. Maximizing your mileage. How often do Tesla Model 3 tires need replacement? So, how often should you brace yourself for a tire change? Well, there's no magic number. The lifespan of your Tesla Model 3's tires depends on various factors, including your driving style, the type of tires you have, and even the climate you live in. Aggressive driving, frequent hard braking, and extreme weather conditions can all contribute to faster tire wear. On average, you can expect Tesla Model 3 tires to last anywhere between 20,000 to 40,000 miles. Regularly checking your tire tread depth and paying attention to any signs of wear and tear can help you gauge when it's time for a replacement. Extending the life of your tires. Maintenance tips for Tesla Model 3 owners. Want to get the most out of your Tesla Model 3's tires? Of course you do. Here are some essential maintenance tips. First and foremost, regular tire rotations are crucial. Aim for every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to promote even wear. Next, keep an eye on your tire pressure. Proper inflation not only ensures optimal performance but also improves fuel efficiency and extends tire life. Don't forget about wheel alignments. Getting your wheels aligned periodically can prevent uneven tire wear and improve handling. By following these simple yet effective maintenance practices, you can maximize the lifespan of your Tesla Model 3's tires and save yourself some money in the long run.